I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have what matters: a device, an app, and a clear purpose. First, decide whether you want linear notes, bullet notes, or a 2-column format. This shapes everything. Once chosen, set a quick capture template with title, 1-sentence summary, and 3 action items. This saves time later. Start a new note now and fill those fields while the idea is fresh. You'll reduce friction and make every note usable the moment you create it. Once you've captured ideas, organize them immediately with 3-5 top tags and a shallow folder structure so you can find things fast. Make deliberate links. Add 1 or 2 backlinks to related notes to build a web of context, because connections are how memory and retrieval improve. Then chunk content into short summaries, 3 to 5 bullets, and do a quick 15 to 60-second review. That consolidates learning. And to finish, consolidate each note with a 1-line takeaway and 3 concrete next steps or deadlines so action follows insight. Make sure auto-sync and backups are enabled, and export critical notes monthly as PDF or Markdown to avoid vendor lock-in. If something goes wrong, missing notes or duplicates, rebuild tags, merge duplicates, and clear the app cache. That usually resolves inconsistencies. If sync failures persist, restart the device and force a manual export to preserve your work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.